teams, and we've got to split this number up. So I was asking, because I'm about to have you go do all of your thinking on your iPad and your solving of this problem, but I want to make sure everybody has a way to get started instead of just sitting there looking at that big number 399 going, what do? So what are some ideas when you are going to break apart a number?
That's why we have teachers for it, because then you need to.
Okay, so teachers might be able to help. We also have each other. So we can, if we shared some ideas right now, would that give you some ways to maybe get started? Okay, who has an idea? What's one way you're thinking of getting started?
Maybe you could split the number 99 up to equal numbers.
Oh, now if I took the number 99, oh wait, that's not 99.
That's a 3.
Oh. It's Friday. Okay, so if I have the number 99, what other part would I have?
A 3.
Just like a 3 by itself?
300.
Oh, it's 300. Okay, so like, is that one way? Like if this was 399, so I could split it that way?
99, isn't it?
Is 399 split to 399?
Yeah.
Okay. Could I keep going and break it apart more?
Yeah.
Okay. So I like this little tree. I do that sometimes. Does anybody ever draw a picture?
Yeah. I learned how to do.
What do you do, Solana?
I like draw pictures of like.
Now we're going to do field day teams. So maybe you drew a picture of the field. I don't know. And you know how everybody has their different spots, and maybe you want. I don't know. Those are some ideas. You guys want to try it?
Yeah.
Can we try it? Can we try and solve this problem? Okay, so here's what I need you to do.
Stars.
Repeat after me.
Stars.
I need a really good recording. Repeat after me. I need a good recording.
I need a good recording.
I am going to tell you, I've noticed if kids hold their iPad and they're like, and moving it around a lot, it goes. So I want you to either put it flat or put it on a stand when you record. Okay? Yeah, you can choose where you want. You're going to choose a quiet spot. I do want everybody in this room, not in the computer lab, please. I don't think that you need pillows and all of that. I'd like you to just get to a spot, get started. You can sit at a seat or sit in a spot that's away from others. And I want you to solve, okay? And we'll come back together and we'll kind of discuss a little bit and see how everybody's doing. So I am going to do a 1, 2, 3 move, and you're going to relocate. So 1, think in your mind of a couple of places that you might go right now. Think of what materials you might need. 2, stand up in your spot. And 3, go find a spot and start solving our problem.
If your one was 10, then you still wouldn't get it even number. Yeah. You get an odd number still because it's 399.
Can we draw?
How do you do that?
Whose brain is working really hard on this problem? Is your brain like, whoa, man, I'm having to think a lot? Or are you like, oh no, I don't even have to think, it's like so easy? I hope you're thinking that was what I was trying to do.
I only got this.
Who thinks they're on the way to solving this problem? Who's got a plan? Okay, Evelyn, can you tell us what you're doing? Show yours. Can you put your thing on?
Yeah.
Okay. Right now, we're just discussing some ways that we're approaching this. And I want you to pay close attention because somebody might come up with an idea that you want to use. Move a little bit more. Okay, so Talia and I were talking and she said, you know what? 399 is really close to a number that's easier to work with. Does anybody have an idea on what that number might be?
400.
Okay, why do you think why would that be an easier number to work with?
It's only one.
Because it's what?
One up. And it's even up.
Oh, so it's only 1 away. So I can remember, I just, I got that 1 extra kid. I could take that number off when it gets it. Okay, so she decided to work with 400. And then she told me, you know what? Counting by ones kind of takes forever. I don't think I have time to draw 399 dots. So then she decided to say, draw some dots, and she decided that each dot was going to be worth 10 kids. Okay? So what does it look like she was doing? Can anyone see up here? What did she do? Yeah.
She put them in groups.
She put them into groups. Do you see? How many groups did she make so far?
5. 10.
There's 10 groups. It's just like a 10 frame. Okay. And then she started going along and she started saying 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100.
Talia.
She had to leave. That's why I'm telling you what she did.
You can just do 100 and then 200.
So she did 100, and then she did another 100, and she did another 100, and she did another 100, and how many did she do then? How many kids? 400. So what did I say each dot was worth?
10.
10. So how many kids are in each group here?
40.
So is one way to do the field day teams 10? It doesn't have to. So Talia's thinking 10 groups with 40 kids in each group. Sorry.
A lot.
It is a lot, okay, but it's one way to do it, and I like how she used a different number. Now, she would have to take one kid away, so this group wouldn't have 40, it would have one less, which would be what? 39. Okay, who would like to, oh, why does AirPlay keep disappearing?
I don't know. Things are on.
I'm not sure. That's okay. Who would like to share what they've done to start? Evelyn, just come stand up here because I'm not sure why it's not working. And just show us, tell us your plan.
Okay.